Are you tired of flipping through piles of disorganized notes, only to find yourself scratching your head trying to recall important information? The Zettelkasten method is revolutionizing the way we take notes, and it's time you join the movement. By following this simple yet powerful system, you'll be able to capture, organize, and retrieve knowledge with ease. So, what exactly is the Zettelkasten method? Developed by German philosopher Niklas Luhmann, this note-taking system is based on the idea of breaking down complex information into small, manageable chunks, which are then linked together to form a comprehensive network of knowledge. Imagine having a digital library at your fingertips, where every note is connected and easily accessible. To get started, you'll need a note-taking app or software that allows you to create and link notes. Some popular options include Notion, Evernote, and OneNote. Choose the one that best suits your needs, and let's dive into the setup process. In Notion,